Cześć przyjaciele. Hi friends, welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. In front of you, you have a mouth-watering Pischinger that is prepared in a traditional Krakow style with beautiful chocolate ganache. And I should say mostly traditional because I added some world flavors to it. It was my grandma's signature dessert. Quick, easy and delicious. On the 21st and 22nd of January in Poland, we celebrate Grandma and Grandpa's Day. Dzień Babci I Dzień Dziadka. Funny enough, in Polish language, the word grandparents actually does not exist. To describe grandma and grandpa together, we use the word dziadkowie, which in direct translation means grandfathers. And this recipe is dedicated to all the grandparents around the world. Thank you for your infinite love and wisdom. So I have my melted chocolate here. I'm using 3 dark bitter chocolates with 60% of cocoa. And what I'm gonna add to it is my hot heavy cream and create a beautiful ganache. For some extra flavor, I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, a pinch of chili powder, and a splash of vanilla extract. I'm gonna keep it on a hot pot so it doesn't cool down too fast and start on my waffles. You have to put this chocolate very well around every single spot so your waffles stick together pretty well. In between, I'm gonna add crumbs of biscuits and cover that layer with another waffle, and so on and so on. I will finish it off with some cocoa powder and a bit of crumbs. So now I'm gonna taste it. This is just amazing. So full and rich of chocolate with that crunch of biscuits is just perfect. And it will go perfect with your afternoon coffee. Thank you for being with me today. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Polish recipes with world flavors. Szczęśliwego dnia babci I dziadka. Bye bye!